Alright, I haven't done a food spotlight in a really long time, so I thought I would bust out a recipe that I've been using consecutively. Is it consecutively? We're making breakfast cookies. I got this recipe from a website called Choosing Chia. The website is run by a talented young self-taught cook. Her name is Jess, and she cooks a lot of recipes using plant-based ingredients. A link is in the description below to the entire recipe. I'm gonna run through this really fast. There are quite a bit of ingredients, tons of nuts and berries and chocolate, and it's a lot. My mother is assisting me today. Thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome, daughter Diana. It is a complete breakfast. You've got your rolled oats in there, okay? And you've got your fiber in there, and you've got your protein from your nuts in there.
So you have it's a whole encompassing breakfast. Yeah, this is what it looks like. All right, are you ready to make them?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we actually already made them, so we're shooting this after we already made them. But here it is. These are Choosing Chia's breakfast cookies. Let's get started. First, you're gonna mix together all of your dry ingredients, and that includes 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour. For this recipe, I use whole wheat flour, but you can really use any kind of flour. 1/2 cup of raw sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, 3 teaspoons of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, dark chocolate chips. Wait, do you tell the people that? Tell the people what you just said.
If you don't want dark chocolate chips, you could add white chocolate chips. You could add peanut butter chips.
You could add any kind of
chips.
Any kind of chips.
Any kind of chips.
Any kind of chips.
Your heart desires.
I'm just using milk chocolate chips. I'm not a big dark chocolate fan, so I prefer the milk chocolate. That was actually kind of funny. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, in another bowl, you're gonna mix all your wet ingredients. So that includes 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1/3 cup of almond butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix together until well combined. I poured the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients because my dry ingredients were in a bigger bowl. Used a cookie scoop to scoop evenly sized cookies onto the baking sheet. I just used a wooden spoon. These cookies won't spread, so you kind of have to mold them into the size that you want because they won't, like chocolate chip cookies, they won't expand. Bake those for 12 to 15 minutes. Look underneath and you'll see if they're like a dark shade of brown or almost black. They're done. So if you're interested in making this recipe, there is a link with the entire recipe in the description below. Definitely go check all of Jess's stuff out, Choosing Chia on all her social media channels, and she's got some incredible recipes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, bye!